Wait, if you scroll past this video, you are officially missing the only breakdown that actually explains the hidden math that crashed the world in 2008. Most people watch Margin Call and see a movie. After this, you're going to see the blueprint of how the big players actually play the game. This isn't a history lesson, it's a leaked manual for what happens when the smartest people in the room realize the music has finally stopped. It's nearly 2 a.m. The trading floor is a ghost town. But Peter Sullivan is staring at a spreadsheet that basically says the world is ending. He didn't find a massive error or a hack, he found a pattern. He realizes that their firm's risk levels have crossed a mathematical point of no return. It's the quietest moment in the movie, but it's the loudest realization in finance. If the market moves even a fraction of a percent against them, the firm doesn't just lose money, it ceases to exist. He knows that once he hits send on that email, there's no going back. Suddenly, the office is crawling with CEOs in tuxedos who've been called in from gala dinners. This is the secret manual in action. The big boss, John Told, looks at the complex math and says, "Explain it to me like I'm a 5-year-old." It's a chilling reminder that at the highest levels, it's not about the complicated math, it's about the raw survival. They aren't discussing ethics or the greater good. They are identifying the exact moment they need to betray everyone else to save themselves. The tension isn't about the money anymore, it's about who gets the seat when the music stops. Here is the most cold-blooded rule of the big players. Be first. They'll decide to sell every single toxic asset they own before the sun comes up. They spend the morning calling their long-term partners and friends, selling them junk they know is worthless. By noon, the firm has billions in cash and their reputation is in the trash. But they are still standing. They poisoned the entire global market to keep their own lights on. It's a ruthless lesson in corporate survival. When the ship is sinking, the people in the lifeboats are the ones who jumped first. So let's talk about your money. The glitch in the movie was caused by leverage, trading with borrowed money to amplify gains. In the real world, a margin call is that dreaded notification from your broker saying, "Your investment dropped too far and you owe us the difference right now." If you don't have the cash, they liquidate your positions instantly, often at the worst possible price. Never play a game where the math can't survive a bad day, because the big players will always sacrifice your account to save their own. Now here is the real question. Does this manual actually work, or is the house always destined to win? Some say Margin Call is the most accurate financial movie ever made, while others think it's just a dramatized nightmare. What do you see in these numbers? Is this a warning for the average investor, or just the cold reality of how the world really turns? I want to hear your take in the comments. Was the firm right to burn it all down to survive, or was it a betrayal of the entire system? If you want more deep dives into the hidden scripts of the financial world, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe. Don't get caught when the music stops. Stay ahead of the game with us. Thanks for watching.